Ever wondered what's lurking in a single drop of water? The invention of the microscope changed everything. From the first glimpses of bacteria by Antony van Leeuwenhoek to the intricate cell structures revealed by modern electron microscopes, this incredible tool has unlocked the secrets of the microscopic universe. Before microscopes, we had no idea about the tiny organisms that shape our lives. Germ theory, medical breakthroughs, even understanding DNA, all thanks to seeing the unseen. Microscopes aren't just for scientists in white coats. They're windows to an invisible world where the building blocks of life become visible. Think about it. Every leaf, every drop of water, even the dust in your home teems with life and complexity beyond the naked eye's reach. The microscope didn't just change science, it changed how we see our place in the universe. So next time you look through a microscope, remember, you're not just seeing tiny objects, you're witnessing a revolution in understanding. Hit subscribe for more mind-blowing science adventures.